This is going to be a brief tutorial on using the recently released Scene2Go in early 2018. We're going to look at how to use the product, where it's at, how to copy and paste, share it with others. First, where did we create the Scene2Go? Well, that was under the project. We created a folder called WebShare. The WebShare gets its name from the older version of WebShare2Go, which has now been renamed Scene2Go. Inside the WebShare folder is all of our Scene2Go information. We're running a Windows machine, so we'll start Scene2Go on Windows. Now that we've started Scene2Go, we need to click on the image to open the overview map. When we click on the image, the overview map will show up. If we put our mouse on any of the little teardrops, it will show us the areas that was captured by that particular scan position. If I click on one of these teardrops and click on the icon straight ahead, or above rather, show in panorama view, we'll be able to look around at our crash site from the scanner's perspective. Rolling the mouse wheel, we can zoom in and out. Click and hold will allow you to pan around. Now, all of these annotations that you see can be activated by clicking on any one annotation and choosing the open link icon. That will open the image. On the right-hand side, we start with projects. That's where we were. The overview map is where we started viewing our scan positions, and then scan view is the panoramic view. In the scan view, we can measure distances by clicking on measure distance. So for example, I might measure the wheelbase of this Tahoe. Once I click on 2 points and click OK, a measurement will show up. If the measurement shows up in meters, it's simple to fix. We go to Settings, click on General, and change meters to feet. Once we're changed, we click OK, and we're right back to our screen, and now we can see our dimension in feet. If we want to delete a dimension, we simply click Delete and choose the dimension. Click OK in the lower right corner, and that dimension will go away. None of these changes are permanent. All of this is temporary. You cannot save any changes you make in the WebShare. Let's look in the lower left corner at the settings icon. The settings icon controls first the color. If we click on the color swatch, we change from color to grayscale. And if we click on it again, we get a blend of color and grayscale. We can use the bar to change how much of the blend we get from color to grayscale. This can be very, very useful on scenes where color is not as crisp and clear as we would like. Next is the Show Properties. This shows the properties of this particular scan. Not only will it show you general properties such as the name, it will show you position, the date it recorded, the date it was modified. Let's return to our scan view. We have an overview map. If you click on that, that will open up an overview map here. This is the top-down view. You can make this swap with your panorama view. You can also enlarge it. When you're done with it, you can close it. Next is the compass. The compass is down at the very bottom. If the compass is not desired, simply click on it and it will turn it off. Next, the eyeball controls the visibility of 3 items: the other scan positions, any dimensions you may have on the screen, and text, such as the annotations. So you can display or hide anything you like. Under the project content, this shows every item, annotations, and scans that is included with this particular project. All right, that's pretty much it for WebShare. There's a few other things to learn about it, but that's it in a nutshell. In order to share web share or Scene2Go, copy the entire web share folder and put it on a USB or some other media that you can share. This could also be uploaded to Dropbox and the entire folder downloaded by your user or anyone you want to share it with. So any way you want to copy this and paste it into something, keep in mind one thing, that the media has to be writable. It will not work on a DVD or a CD. Although you could copy it to a DVD or CD, your user would have to copy the contents off onto their computer before they can use it. Thank you very much for watching.